Hey there, Natural Home Remedy fam. Welcome back to the channel where we explore effective solutions for a healthier and happier home. Today, we're diving into a common household issue that many of us have faced, those pesky cockroaches. If you're tired of sharing your space with these unwelcome guests, you're in the right place. Stick around because I've got a home remedy that's not only effective but also completely natural. Let's jump right into it. Does the sight of cockroaches skittering around your kitchen make you cringe? Get rid of them fast with these 3 powerful home remedies. I'll walk you through how to mix up and use roach sprays, baits, and no-touch traps that kill cockroaches in their tracks. We'll start with an essential oil cockroach killer spray that repels and eliminates roaches on contact. You'll need peppermint oil, tea tree oil, and lemon oil, which contain compounds that naturally deter roaches. Mix 10 to 15 drops of each into a spray bottle filled halfway with water. Add a couple teaspoons of dish soap to help the oils adhere to the roaches' bodies. Shake vigorously, then spray onto countertops, around appliances, under sinks, and anywhere else roaches may hide. The scent overwhelms their senses, plus the oil will penetrate their protective outer layer and kill them. Reapply daily to combat heavy infestations. Next, I'll demonstrate my foolproof boric acid bait recipe that poisons entire roach colonies. Stir together 2 teaspoons boric acid powder, 2 tablespoons flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 cup milk until smooth. Spoon dollops of the paste anywhere you've spotted roaches, inside cabinets, under the fridge, around plumbing pipes, etc. They'll gobble up this mixture as a food source, not realizing the boric acid will destroy their digestive system. As they return to their nesting grounds, they'll infect the rest of the colony when waste gets transferred between groups. This bait works slowly but steadily to eliminate infestations from the inside out. Finally, my no-touch roach trap catches roaches effortlessly without you having to handle any messy baits or sprays. Poke holes around the top edge of a jar, then tightly stretch plastic wrap over the opening and secure it with a rubber band. Make a small slit in the center so roaches can get in but not escape. Fill the jar about halfway with sugary soda. The carbonation and sugar attract roaches seeking food, while the smooth plastic walls prevent their escape. Place several around and let the traps catch roaches for you. Simply throw them away once full of dead bugs. With any of these inexpensive, natural home remedies for killing cockroaches, you can swiftly eliminate your roach problem without using harsh chemicals in your home. Try them all or pick your favorite method and soon you'll have a pest-free space. Let me know if you have any other questions.